4, we are given which of the following is the dimension of prayer. Now, the very first thing we should learn is what is the meaning of dimension. Dimension means writing quantity in 3 basic units. That means the mass, the length, and the time. That's the meaning of dimension. And anytime we want to write them in their dimension, our mass is always in a square parenthesis and a capital letter here. Likewise, our length in a capital letter here and our time in a capital letter T. So these are the dimensions at which we write many other units. Okay, so we have our very first question, which is prayer. What is the dimension for prayer? For us to get the dimension for prayer, we have to know what is the formula for prayer. Our prayer is equals to force all over area. When we look at it, our unit for force is in Newton, but Newton is not broken down into mass, length, and time. Our target is that we have to break down Newton into mass, length, and time. When you consider our area is in meter, and we can say that meter square. As you can see, meter is a quantity of length, so therefore that is already broken down. So the real issue we have is our Newton. We need to break down Newton into the basic units, which are kilogram, meter, and seconds. So let's see what we can have. From force, we know that force is mass times acceleration, and our mass is in kilogram multiplied by acceleration, which is meter per second square. Combining the 3 together, we have kilogram meter per second square. As you can see, our Newton, which is force, has been broken down into kilogram, meter, and second. So let's combine it with the other formula we have. Combining it with the other formula, we say that pressure is equals to force over area. Force all over area. So what is the unit for force we had the other time? We said the unit for force is kilogram meter per second square. While what is unit for area? We said the unit for area is meter square. If you look at it carefully, you will see that meter can cancel out meter. We are going to be left with 1 meter at this side. Then we have that kilogram second square all over meter. Writing this in form of indices, we're going to end up having it as power is equals to kilogram per meter per second square. Recall I said at that time that we want to write them in their dimension, and the 3 dimensions we have majorly are your mass, length, and time. And our mass is measured in kilogram, our length is measured in meter, and our time is measured in seconds. So let's try to write this also in the dimension. Writing it in the dimension, we have that our kilogram, which is mass, is capital letter M, and our meter will be L in the power of -1 because of the -1 that is there, and our seconds will be T in the power of -2. So this is the dimension for pressure. That means M, L in the power of -1, T in the power of -2. Let's consider our option whether we have similar answer. Coming down to our option, we see that the answer is option A. Option A stands as the right answer.